Hey everybody, Alan with Pinelands here again. Today I want to talk to you about Vitex trees. If any of you are looking for a substitution for a crepe myrtle or just want a small flowering tree, this is a great plant. They get, I'd say 12 to 14 feet tall and same width as that, maybe even a little bit wider. They're going to flower heavy right now and they're going to flower sporadically throughout the summer. I would say the only drawback to these is that they lose their leaves during the winter, so they'll look like bare sticks come November. They're very easy to take care of. They don't take much maintenance. Recommend you trim them after they drop the leaves, maybe toward the end of the winter, February. When you can see the full structure of the tree, you can work on trimming it to the shape you want. They respond well to cutting them back pretty hard as well. So Vitex trees. And there's some hybrids that have some darker blooms as well.